love her body. Love her body. Love her body. Love her body. Yeah.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ugo, and today I am here with a short Valentine tutorial. So first, I'm taking my Juvia's Place foundation and I am drawing that all over my face, just to, in the spirit of love. That love is not fine. Now I'm taking my Morphe spray and I am spraying it on my face, and I am going to be using the Nude Beauty brush to blend this out. And I always use dabbing motions when it comes to my foundation or a stick foundation. I like to use a brush and dabbing motions. Next, I'm taking a beauty blender and I am just going to press the foundation into my skin and also blend this some more in case of any streaks. Next, I'm taking the Juvia's Place concealer and I am using that to highlight the points of my face and also to cover my dark circles because I've not been sleeping on time. I think this is something everybody does. Like, concealer is just like, it's a step we need to start skipping. Everybody knows how to apply concealer. Hey, are we done? All right, we are. All right, next, I'm just blending out the concealer. Of course, concealer again. I'm blending out my concealer, and I like to start with my jaw and my forehead first so that I just get done with it and, don't have to put so much more product there. And when I'm blending my under eye, I like to start from the edges and then work my way in for a more, seamless blend. Capiche? Yes. Ooh. Next, I am contouring my face using the Nude Beauty foundation. This is the Nude Beauty foundation in the shade L10. Yes, I'm just giving my face some warmth. It's a liquid foundation, guys, not a stick foundation. That's why I'm using a blender to apply it. Just giving my face some warmth. And next, I'm going to be contouring my jaw and my nose. This nose is big, fam, so we try. Ooh, look at me. Now I'm taking my Beauty by AD setting powder and I'm just using that to set my under eye and every other place I highlighted. I'm just trying to press it in. I really don't bake as much. Next, I'm using a brush to just pat on powder to my jaw and my forehead. I prefer using brushes when doing that step. Now I'm just defining my nose some more with a brush and some powder. Next, I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and I'm just using that to set my face and everywhere I have foundation that has not been set. Next, I'm taking another Mineralized Skin Finish in Deep Dark and I'm using that to contour and just bronze up my face some more. I love using the Mineralized Skin Finish for bronzing. I'm also bronzing up my jaw and then defining my nose with that same powder as well. Now, you guys know this is my brand, so I get excited when using it. I just launched my own brow pencils. They are the Binwa Luxe brow pencils, and I'm just using that to, define my brows some more. It's a very luxurious pencil, guys. I can't believe, like, if you guys feel this pencil, you understand why I called it the Binwa Luxe brow pencil. And I'm using the shade True Brown. I have two shades, dark brown and true brown. Now I'm just defining my brows some more. I am using Nude Beauty concealer and the Nude Beauty flat brush to just define my eyebrows. Now I'm taking the Tint and Tame from TM Essentials, and it's a brow gel, but it also has a tint. I don't know how to explain it, but it's a Tint and Tame, and I'm just using that to hold my brows in place. Next, I'm concealing my lids. I'm preparing it for eyeshadow. I'm using Nude Beauty primer, concealer as a primer, and now I am just blending it out to get that eye ready for eyeshadow, baby. And now I'm setting my brow bone with a powder just to help with seamless blending later on. Now I'm taking the Beauty by AD eyeshadows. This is the Nude palette, and I'm just taking the lightest brown shade there, and I'm going to use that to, give my eyes some color and just, put it all up in my crease and just make sure everything is blended. Next, I'm taking the shimmer shade. This is in light gold, and I'm putting that all over my eyelid. I'm just blending it up to my crease. I'm not doing like a cut crease or anything. I don't want it to define. Next, I'm just blending and making sure everything is well blended. Now, I'm taking the NYX glitter glue and I'm placing that just on my crease area. I don't know how to explain it, that line up there. And I'm going to place my classic glitter glue in the shade Gold. It's like champagne gold. It's so pretty. I'm using a fluffy brush because I don't want it too defined. I want it scattered around. Oh yeah, feel yourself, girl. Feel yourself. Now I'm just putting some mascara. Next, I'm taking the Beauty by AD eyeshadow palette. This is the colorful one, and I took the red shade and I just put that under my eye in the spirit of love. Now I'm just blending it out with an angled brush. I'm trying to create like a very soft wing. So I am blending it out. Next, I'm popping up some lashes. I got those lashes from Ebano. Ibana is just like a big supermarket we have. And now I'm taking my blush from Juvia's Place. I love blush so much, and then I love this blush. I say it makes me so happy. I put blush everywhere. Now I'm taking the Morphe highlighter in Meteor. I cannot pronounce this thing to save my life. And I'm just putting that on the high points of my face, my forehead, everywhere. And I'm just, ooh. I was dancing to one song. That song is mad, guys. My new song. Now I'm taking the Nivea Beauty highlight. It has sparkles in it, and I'm just putting it on my cheeks to give my cheeks some glow. Now taking the Morphe lip liner in Bites Me. Yeah, this is Bite Me. I'm using that to line my lips and just get it ready for lipstick, mama. Of course. I hate voiceovers. Now I'm taking the Morphe lipstick in the shade, I can't remember, and I'm putting it on my lips. Where else will I be putting the lipstick if not on my lips? Now, for this, guys, I'm using my brow pencil again in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm using it to define my lips. Guys, I love doing this. It gives me like a fuller lip, and it's so defined. It makes it so easy because the mouth is so precise. Like, look at how my lips look after doing that. Like, if you have any brow pencil at all, just use it to define your lips. It really helps, and it's really, really nice. Yes. Next, I'm just putting some clear lip gloss on my lips again, of course. Now I'm taking the Morphe setting spray. I love this setting spray. I'm spraying some on my sponge first, and I'm pressing that into my cheeks just to blend my blush, contour, and highlight. And now I am just spraying, the setting spray all over my face. Next, I'm going to take this little fan that every human being needs, and I'm going to dry that, setting spray. Now for the red lips, I took a Rubelite Cosmetics red liquid lipstick, and I put that all over my lips. The fact that I'm saying I put lipstick on my lips is even making me laugh. Put lipstick on my lips, and you guys know I don't like red, but this combo, this is the Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick. It's the orange shade, and I just blended that in with my finger, and yeah, we are done. Bye, guys.